What's going on YouTube? Crypto Matrix here, coming at you with another cryptocurrency stream. And guys, I definitely found a new pattern in the price action right here, guys. I want to show you exactly how to enter a trade over on BYBIT, whether long or short. And guys, there's several other coins I want to talk about today, including Electronium, Chainlink, Filecoin, Mana, Storage. Guys, there's a lot to go over, guys. If you're not subscribed yet, smash that subscribe button, smash that like button. Help out with that algorithm, guys. You know I'm a new page. And guys, I'm going to dive right into the price action. Okay, guys, so over the last day, we've definitely had a nice formation start to play out, guys. I'm just going to dive right into what I've found here. So we found a nice horizontal triangle, okay? Very textbook right here. And we are definitely coiling up for a move as we speak, guys. This is definitely a breakout alert, okay? So a breakout is definitely imminent on the Bitcoin price right now. And the way I'm going to be looking to tackle this, okay, because we don't know exactly which way it's going to go with a horizontal triangle. Remember, those odds of success either direction are basically mimicked, okay? So for instance, if the 7 reaches back towards the 20 and gets across, especially to the 55, we will get a breakout to the upside. Or if the 7 trickles down away from the 20, dragging the 55 down further, we will get a breakout to the downside, okay? I'm actually going to take out this move. This was just another trade. Anyway, so what I'm looking for right here is just volume to come back into the market, okay? And we can use several other indicators to see that this breakout's coming too. So for instance, I like the Bollinger Bands a lot. You can see after this big wide move back here, okay, we started to really tighten up, and the Bollinger Band's tightening up, tightening up, tightening up. And guys, that's what I mean. A breakout is coming. So if we break the median on the Bollinger Band, and again, the 7 pushed back towards the 20, okay, I'd be looking for a long position right around here. Okay, and if I was looking for a short position, it would probably be right around here. Okay, guys, but again, when taking these trades, watch for the confirmations. Okay, so watch for the crossings, watch for the volume to come back in the market, whether bullish or bearish. Quite simply, guys, that's how I'll be tackling this trade. Definitely, if you haven't used my links below, guys, you can save hundreds of dollars in sign-up bonuses through all of my links below. Check them out right now. But guys, let's move right along. Okay, Electronium's still working the wedge, guys. Okay, still working it. The 7 has just crossed back to 20. That means we're going to be moving down a little bit. We did retest this support right here. This is a great sign, actually, guys. So check this out. We literally got to bounce off the support. Okay, so that's a good sign. If we can move right and then hopefully get the breakout, that will confirm the pattern play out that I've been talking about for weeks, okay? The reality is we don't know how far these wedges will go. When we go to a bigger time frame, you can see we are very close to the trend, okay? And remember, the trend is your friend until the end, guys. So if we break this, a reversal will be needed. And let's be real here. We did break the initial trend, okay? So we are already looking for a reversal to get back on this path, okay? This path is still being held, okay, as of now. And I am hoping we do get a movement to the right here. Although, guys, volume will have to come into the market in a good way to push that, and then we can hopefully see the 7 cross towards the 20 and get all the proper indications for hopefully a break to the right here. But remember, guys, the trend is your friend until the end. So I'm not in full, I'm not panicking. It's definitely, it's never fun seeing a drop. And guys, I called it way back here, we were moving down of 38%. But remember what I said, we could end up in the 50s before a bounce, okay? Just like the last 4 movements, okay? So just please understand that, guys. Don't go crazy yet. Definitely still bounce out of this and be way above this previous high, within a month or two. And I'm getting a lot of questions about projections, guys. Just to set that at rest, you can't project on an altcoin this early in infancy stage. You just can't. You have to analyze it as you go. We can all make guesses and what we'd like to see, and based off of the, we can't do that, guys. That's not realistic. Okay, so for instance, if we get more volume, if a couple institutions even get involved, if more players get involved in Electronium in general, like for instance, Richard Els has been saying this is a good time to be buying, and he was right. All year we've been making money on Electronium left and right. Let's be real here, guys. I've been pushing guys to accumulate for 9 months, okay? And if you did that, you're setting up thousands of percent, guys, easily. So I'm very happy with this coin, and you know what? I'm still holding a massive portion. I probably cashed out maybe 5% of the entire portfolio for Electronium in this run, guys. So that's just what I'm saying. I'm holding on for higher times here. There could be much more potential here, guys. Much more potential. But to put a pin on exactly where it will peak out, The reality is that's going to have to coincide with the bull market peak. And for instance, when the bear market begins, you should be taking some profit. And I expect to see dumps almost coin wide during that period. Okay, guys, so keep that in mind moving forward. Let's jump right over to Filecoin. Similar situation here to Bitcoin today. We have a breakout imminent. Okay, guys, same plan playing out. Nice horizontal triangle. An example of a smaller one right in between it. So if we get that same kind of breakout to the upside, that would be really great for Filecoin. Let's be real here, guys. I was saying in one of my videos that this was an excellent opportunity to take some profit, okay? I didn't take very much. Again, a 5 to 10% of my whole value, meaning what I put in, I basically took out, and I'm riding free coin at this point. And guys, let's be real here. If you take no profit ever, and then it crashes, you're at a loss, okay? So don't be that guy. Always lock in a little bit during the bull cycle, especially as, we've been in it for a year and change now. Understand that, guys. This will not last forever. And yes, I do not believe we have entered euphoria stage, for instance, but when we do, that would be the best time to take profit, okay? Not all profit. Remember, we just need enough to buy the next dip in the bear market. We don't know, we don't know everything. We have to analyze as we move forward, okay? Again, guys, in simplicity, just like we just tackled Bitcoin, wait for the breakout to the upside if you're looking to enter long, right there. Looking to enter short, right there. Okay, guys, watch for the confirmation, specifically volume. Okay, guys, then you'll know which way it is going. Okay, and then when it breaks either the resistance or the support, take your position. Simply. Okay, that's the beauty of good elaboration. It should become simple. Okay, let's move right on to Mana. Okay, guys, exciting times for Mana. I'm so happy with this because, guys, I actually just locked in a little profit right before I made this video right here. Okay, so, guys, I've been talking about this being in a big ascending triangle. And the reality is, guys, is I took profit because the last 2 times I did not. Okay? And let's be real. I'm glad I waited a little bit because I walked away with, an extra $1,000 here on what I put in. Okay? So if I would have taken it then, I would have, made less. So I'm glad I waited here. And let's be real, guys, the measurement out of this triangle is huge. We're talking a 1.6 mana, guys. That is incredible, guys. Okay, so let's be real here. This could be the pump that I've been waiting for on Mana, and I'm expecting some higher prices up here, guys. This is your target for a good portion of profits, but let's be real here, guys. I've been reading a lot of stuff about Mana. There could be some much higher prices, guys. It's going to be very hard for me to cash this bad boy out. And this coin, definitely in its infancy stages, with a lot of potential for the upside, I believe. And again, as long as we're holding trend, we're good. Okay, let's move right along to storage. Okay, so this one's got a lot of people worried right now because we broke immediate trend. But guys, understand, this is another coin that's doing a lot of good things. Okay, and in short, we are in a little bit of a wedge right now. Okay, sorry, this looks a little dirty. I'm a little zoomed out here. Okay, actually more of a triangle almost. More of a horizontal triangle actually. Okay, we had to put a pin on it. Let's go to the 15 minutes, see if we get a better story. Yes. Okay, so for instance, we could get a breakdown out of this right here and then retest support just based off of looking at it. Okay, tighten that up a little bit for you. It's bugging me. Okay, so we definitely could get a break soon here, just in the immediate price action. And just to be transparent, the 7 does look like it's crossing back towards the 20. We do have some bearish volume down here. I am kind of expecting to retest the 55 on the 15 minute. And guys, what we need to see in simplicity, we pull off all the stuff, pull off the 7 and the 20, okay? We are above the 55 right now, okay, on the 1 hour. That's a great sign, okay? But as you can see, right back here, it's just been seen as overbought territory, okay? For instance, we kept just breaking down below it. Are we going to do the same again, or are we going to start the move up, okay? Because what I would like to see, for instance, how it's moved is when we broke above it, we really pushed up this way. When we broke below it, we really pushed down this way. And we're hoping it's just going to start to go back up and then regain back on this trend line, okay, guys? That's what I'm hoping for with storage. Okay, guys, so for instance, if you didn't take profit way up here, like I did not, and I'm still waiting. I'm planning on surpassing this level. Okay, I do not think we're going to reach back down and touch this trend. Although if that does happen, I will be holding my position strong and hoping for a good bounce. Okay, the reality is sometimes these projects can really dump and then get big pumps right out of it. And again, with good projects, we could see some scary price movement, but they usually end up pumping out of it. Okay, guys. And yes, we've all heard the disaster on Eternity chain. Let's be real, that pumped up 8,000%. Now it's down 80% from that, guys. That's been a disaster for a lot of people. I actually saw this on a big YouTube channel, and a big influencer putting people into this. And let's be real here, 90% of the people got wrecked. And in this last week, it's actually been a bloodbath for some big YouTubers. I've seen some comments that were just devastating, guys. We have dodged bullets. Let's be real here. We are putting out golden TA for you guys. The reality is you guys should just be making money left and right, because I really tell you exactly where it's going. And my win ratio is going up and up. I'm up over a 94 right now. So just amazing times. And I am actually proud to report every trade except for one, I guess, in the last 2 years has been majorly profitable out of over 100 and some trades, guys. Just incredible times. I'm blown away. And guys, one final coin I want to talk about, which is Chainlink. Okay, so lots of interesting stuff going on here. Mind my drawings here. Okay, so we just had a nice ascending wedge, and we just got the breakout out of it to the upside, guys. So congratulations to anyone who caught this breakout. I mean, this was textbook. Okay, notice the 7 crossing the 20 right back here during the pattern formation here. Okay, and that was an excellent opportunity to enter the trade right off of this inverse head and shoulders. Okay, so you could have rode that trade all the way up to like right here. But guys, if you even held it, you could have taken the next breakout and still be in a massive profit, guys. And if you took these trades over on BYBIT, for instance, up even 10% from the previous breakout with 100, with 10x leverage, that's over 100%, guys. That's incredible, right? And let's be real here, guys. I've been predicting a $40 link this month for 5 months. Let's be real, bros and gals. Like, we nailed it. We're nailing everything. I couldn't be happier. I'm going to turn my camera on just for a split second so you guys can see me here. Guys, we're killing it. This is incredible. Like, I really want you guys to understand just the reality of what's going on here. Like, we have made amazing, amazing trades left and right. Basically, every coin on this list that I watch, that I handle, is positive. I can't believe it. There's only one that's not. And, to be honest, just transparency, it was a buy that I bought out of boredom, saying, hey, I've made so much. I took a little profit on my gains. Let's see what some other influencers are in. And I did a no buy, no homework. And guys, I paid the price. I'm down like 85% on that coin. And what's interesting is I went even against my gut there. For instance, I knew to wait for the retracement, but I chased the dragon, as you say. We all have done it. Okay, even professionals, we all make little mistakes. But guys, that is my only mistake in almost 2 years. And I only put down $1,000. So, it's not a big deal. It's like, whatever. If it recovers, it recovers. The coin just came out. I'm not going to, say which one it is. But guys, or the influencer. But in general, guys, always do your own homework. Yes, you can, obviously trust in stuff I'm saying. My win ratio is through the roof. So, but the reality is, guys, you should always do your own homework. You should always not chase the dragon. You should always wait for the retracements. And if you do these things always, you'll never get wrecked. That's the reality. You can practice a approach of perfectionism and actually achieve it by using good properties in trade. And guys, it's just incredible. And guys, that's all the time I had for today. These are just biblical times in cryptocurrency. I can't stress enough. Me and the students are just making hand over fist money basically every single day, guys. And once you get to Zion, you're going to feel just the happiness among the group. And let's be real here, guys. There's so many benefits to being in Zion, including rewards and giveaways and little competitions. There's just so much. We're just having fun. And guys, Zion's filling up. It's definitely filling up, guys. So if you want to be part of that, like I said, I did free up my schedule a little bit just to accommodate some more students. I want to help as many of you as I can. I can't stress enough. Having a guide in the early stages is extremely pivotal for maximizing your potential. And guys, the course I've laid out for you guys is just designated for you guys to make hand over fist money as simply as possible, okay? You want trading to become simple to you so you can absorb the knowledge and actually put it out there and make the trades, make the profits on your own. Like I always say, the eventual goal is for you to not need me and be a totally self-sufficient trader. And yes, it's sad to see you guys go eventually. But the reality is I only got a few people that really do that. Everyone kind of sticks around, they enjoy Zion, they're really having a great time, they're making money. And the reality is there's a bunch of like-minded individuals like yourselves there, and it just sells itself, guys. It's incredible. We're all just having fun. And I do suggest, guys, be realistic with yourselves here. Don't expect to pick up what I'm doing in 5 hours or less. It's not reasonable, okay? I've been at this for 15 years, okay? And the whole point of the course is to give you guys what I use every single day to make the trades, okay? So just be realistic with yourselves, be patient with yourselves. Remember, it's like learning a new language. You got to take it very seriously, apply yourself, make sure you're doing all the homework I'm giving you. And guys, if you can do all those things, you're going to be just like everyone else in Zion. All you need is a D average, to be positive in trading if you're following my schedule. So let's be real here. A lot of people I meet are better than D students. So guys, if you want to discover your financial freedom, reach out to me today at bitcoindeathstar@gmail.com, and my buddy Mitch will send you your onboarding emails and get you taken care of. And guys, remember, if you don't come from a rich family must come from you. And with cryptocurrency, I make it as easy as riding that wave. Guys, I am Crypto Matrix. I'll catch you guys later.